Hello, class. My name is Lawrence McFadden, and I am a CISC major within Harrisburg University. Within this major, I've been learning about essential algorithms and information system analysis as of recently. And throughout the information system analysis class, I have came to a realization of studying the Internet of Things, which is a part of databasing, which we've mainly been learning. There, there may arise many security issues when it comes for one company dealing with another for outsourcing, and that would be data mining. The data mining that is done from one company can be stolen from another company, or if given, can be used to influence and direct purchases to the normal consumer of every day, and or be used to create patterns and influence people at home that have accounts by sending certain messages or certain coupons that influence certain purchases they have made previously through transactions and or just personal clicks that they made throughout the store, keeping track of every purchase, every move, creating more of a personal profile for each and every person. And this issue, I believe, will be something, if resolved, will be something great for either companies, for both companies and the consumer. Because the consumer gets to keep their user privacy and they're not influenced to make any decision or spend money against their will, thinking if it's not of their own volition. And the companies get to keep safe because now if they decide to outsource their information, the outsourced information wouldn't cause the current company sending out any hurt or loss, because the current company won't be able to use any backdoor tricks such as using the information given to create their own pattern or their own influential system or design to help take away or draw away from their supposedly partners.